Future looks bright.
That's what
Wide
I was
open.
gonna say, right?
Yeah. From where we were 2 years ago to a not so bright future to where we are today, where it feels like we're newlyweds again, and the sky's the limit.
He really put himself first right away. No, this is my routine, this is what I'm doing. The kids talk about it like, oh, dad's in his group, and they'll refer to it in a positive light, which is cool. Definitely sparks me for sure. Like, I should probably be getting up at the same time every day. Like, as annoying as that is, I know that I probably should be doing that, even though I don't. Or, watching him journal, he's really good about journaling. He sits back on the deck and journals. Yeah, it definitely is a chain reaction for the entire family and the whole community that we're a part of. Everything has grown since.
To the BMX track, I've seen people looking out for each other at a family level. We've set a very high example. The one thing that I really like that I've recognized now is I can set an example as a leader on how to run the track. But I've really noticed I can set an example of how to be a good dad on the track. Being that Jackson's one of the top kids on the track, all the kids are looking up to him. And I'm starting to see that a lot of dads are looking up to me too. How did I get my kid so good? And so I can set a lot of positive examples on how we positively reinforce him. We're not over coaching him, over criticizing him. I've seen a lot of other men around us grow in that shape.
He definitely is pushing me outside of my comfort zone. For a long time, I was the one that knew a lot of like the love languages, and as a leadership character development teacher for many years, I had the upper hand. And now you've definitely surpassed all of my knowledge and pushed me beyond my comfort zone. For sure, it's brought us closer.
When I started the program, I really didn't know how to go out and have fun for myself on my own. I was always looking for kind of a recipe or some way to really have fun, because I forgot what I did to fill my own cup. My hobbies, my woodworking, my biking, hiking, some of that stuff I kind of did, but I didn't do it at the right pace or energy. And it was always tied in with other stuff. And I just forgot what really made me happy. So that was a real big surprise.
At first, I was like, is this for real? Is this genuine? Or when he'll say sometimes like, are you okay? Are you doing okay? Like, do I not seem okay? Why are you asking if I'm okay? What's wrong? Do I not seem okay? But then it's like, no, he really is just asking and checking in. And it's like, I don't have to feel like I'm not doing something right. Comes from the right place, for sure.
So just having a little bit of knowledge of how we're wired differently was huge for me.
Our son has been really challenging the last year, and so it's been huge that he's stepped up with that and taken that role on, because it's a lot, and it's nice to know that it doesn't just fall on me.
Yeah, working with our oldest son, who was really hard on himself, high anxiety, short fuse, and being able to stay grounded and weather some of his storms has been really life-changing for the whole family.
I get it. In the beginning, I was nervous and apprehensive. Like, what do you mean, the powerful man? What does that entail? The name is scary. It's like, what is this? But I would say it's been the best thing that's happened to our family and to you. I mean, it's been life-changing for sure. Would highly recommend it.
To sit there and wait for something to happen to you is just a losing mentality. That's not going to get you anywhere. You have to take a step or a leap of faith on yourself. If you're on the fence on any of this, get off your butt and work on yourself, because there's so much opportunity out there And there's so many resources in this program, so many resources, and so many different tools. And some land with some guys, and others land with. There's going to be a tool that's just a game changer for you, and you're learning so much from all these other guys. It's just incredible. So I think the first time some of that stuff came through from the training, and realized, oh, this really works. I knew I was in the right place.